Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on an Acura MDX. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts or shocks during the repair. Next, gather your necessary tools, including a 10mm wrench, a 13mm socket, and a ratchet. Finally, locate the starter motor, which is usually situated on the engine block, often near the transmission bell housing, making it accessible from underneath or above. To gain clear access to the starter, you will likely need to remove a few obstructing components. This might include the air intake tube, the battery, or even the battery tray, depending on your specific vehicle model. Once you have a clear view, carefully disconnect the two electrical connections from the old starter. There will be a main power cable and a smaller solenoid wire. It is a good practice to mark these wires to ensure they are reconnected correctly during installation. With the electrical connections detached, you can now proceed to unbolt the starter itself. Most starters are held in place by 2 or 3 mounting bolts, often requiring a 14mm or 15mm socket. Once these bolts are removed, carefully maneuver the old starter out of its tight spot. Then, position the new starter into place, ensuring it aligns correctly with the engine and transmission. Securely tighten the mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, usually around 30 foot-pounds. After the new starter is securely bolted in place, reconnect all electrical wires. Ensure the main power cable and the solenoid wire are attached firmly to their respective terminals. Next, reinstall any components you removed earlier, such as the battery tray, battery, or air intake system. Double-check that everything is properly secured. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Once everything is back together, attempt to start your vehicle to confirm the new starter is functioning correctly and your repair is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.